गुड मॉर्निंग। आत्मा और परमात्मा का मिलन है योग। चिड़ियाओं का पेड़ पर बैठना है योग। शिष्य का गुरुजनों से मिलना है योग। लेट स्टार्ट माय टॉपिक ASTHMA. In the yoga and lifestyle chapter, the third topic is the asthma. What is asthma? Asthma is a disease of lungs in which the airways become blocked or narrowed, causing difficulty in breathing. In asthma, the airway also swell up and produce extra mucus. Symptoms include coughing, shortness of breath and chest tightness. Effective treatment of allergy. Asthma includes identifying and avoiding allergies that trigger symptoms, using drugs, therapy, and developing an emergency action plan for several attacks. Asthma affects people of all ages, but it most often starts during childhood. The prime cause for this problem is pollution. Through different current asthma treatment are available. Yoga therapy is the most preferred natural remedy for asthma as it is effective and has no side effect. Okay. Asthma can be prevented as well as cured if the following asanas are practiced regularly. Number 1, Sukhasana. In a Sukhasana procedure, sit down with the leg straight in front of body. After that, bend the right leg and place the foot under the left thigh. Then bend the left leg and keep the fat under the right thighs. Place the hand on knees. Chin should be in. Keep the head, neck and back straight. Close the eyes. Relax your body. Benefit. Its benefit is it is a straight and length spine. It's calm your mind and brain. It enhances your peace of mind. It reduces anxiety, stress and mental fatigue. It's helping improving body posture. Okay. Contraindication. Contraindication. Number 6 point. It's provide gentle massage to knees, calves, muscles and thighs. It is spread a sense of calm through and your body and mind. If facilities mental and physically balanced without causing strain or pain. Contraindication, the Sukhasana pose. What is the contraindications? If your knee and hip are injured or inflamed, you should avoid the asana. If you have a slip disc problem, you should take proper care while performing this asana. Number 2 asana, chakrasana for asthma. Number 2, chakrasana. What is a chakrasana? In the procedure first. In this asana, the figure of the body become like a chakra. Therefore, this asana is called chakrasana. First of all, lay down on your back on the mat. Fix your hand on the ground. Then raise the middle portion of your body upward. Raise it the high as possible so that your body is in semicircle position. Then keep your head down. Between your hand in the beginning, keep the position for 1 minute and then after some day. To do it the 3 to 5 minutes. Benefit. Chakrasana benefit. It's cure back pain. It's cure any pain in the kidney. It is helpful in removing obesity. It is stimulate pituitary gland and thyroid gland. Pituitary gland in the area on the head. It's give relief from stress and reduce depression. It's prevent the problem hernia. Contraindication. Do not perform this asana in case of shoulder recently surgery. Do not perform this asana if you have tendons in the wrist. If you suffer from headache or high blood pressure, you should not perform this asana. Number 4 contraindication, who suffer from serious spinal column alignments should avoid this asana. Okay. Number 3rd asana, Gomukh asana. Number 3rd asana, Gomukh asana. Number 1 procedure, Gomukh asana. कैसे करेंगे? Sit down on the ground with the leg stretched forward. Now fold the leg at the knees and sit on the left foot. Fold the right leg and keep the right thighs on the left thighs with the help on your hands. Now lift your buttock and bring the heel of both feet together so that they should touch each other. Now fold your leg, arm behind your back over the shoulder. Fold the right arm behind the back under the right shoulder. After that, bend your fingers of both the hand and clasp each other at the time your hand and back should be effort. Then repeat the same in reverse posture. Okay. Benefit. What is the benefit of the Gomukh asana? Number 1, it makes the leg muscles strong and elastic. It helps in keeping the shoulder joint healthy, flexible and strong. Number 3, it improves the function of lungs. Number 4, regular practice of the asana help in the treatment of sciatica. Number 5, it improves the function of kidney by the stimulating in thus help the individual who suffer from diabetes. Number 6, it It also reduces stress and anxiety. Number 7, it helps in staying fit and strong. And contraindication. What is the contraindication? किसको नहीं करना चाहिए? Number 1, who suffer from the shoulder, knee or back pain should avoid this asana. Number 2, avoid this asana in the case of any knee injury. Number 3, avoid this asana in case of recent or chronic knee problem or hip injury. Number 4 asana, Parvatasana. Procedure: sit in the Padmasana, lotus pose. Stretch your arm sideways and bring them over your head slowly. After that, let your palm touch each other. Then stretch your hand well without bending your elbow. Keep your spine erect. Benefit: Number 1, it helps in enhancing height. Number 2, it reduces the extra fat in back and waist. Number 3, it tones the abdominal muscles and thus stimulate the organs of abdominal region. Number 4, it is extremely beneficial in case of asthma. It helps in reducing the back pain. Number 6, it improves the function of spinal cord. Contraindication: Number 1, avoid this asana in case of hip or back injury. Number 2, one should not perform this asana in case of shoulder injury. Okay. Number 5 asana, Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana. This is, अगर आपको दिख रहा है, if you see, so this is a Bhujangasana, the pose of Bhujangasana. 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 What is a Bhujangasana? Procedure first. In this asana, the shape of the body remains like a snake. That is why it is called Bhujangasana. In order to perform this asana, lay down on the belly on ground. Keep your hand near the shoulder. Keep your leg close together. Now straight up your arm slowly. Raise the chest, your head, shoulder, turn backward. Keep this position from some time, then get back on the normal position. For good result, perform this asana 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Benefit: Number 1, it alleviates obesity. Number 2, it provides strength and agility. Number 3, it cures the disorder or urinary bladder. Number 4, it cures the disease of liver. Number 5, it improves blood circulation. It makes the vertebral column flexible and thin. It cures gas disorder, constipation and indigestions. It strengthens the muscles of hand. These are benefits. Number contraindication. Number 1, the asana should be avoided by individuals who suffer from hernia, back pain, back injury, headache and the recent abdominal surgeries. Number 2, pregnant women should not perform this asana. Okay. Number next asana is a Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana first procedure. Paschimottanasana, sit on the ground with the leg forward. Then hold this toe of your your feet with the finger on both hands. Then breathe out slowly and try to touch the knee with your forehead. After that, breathe in slowly, raise your hand upward and come to prayer positions. Perform this asana at least 10 to 12 minutes, 12 to 12 times. Benefit. Number 1, it alleviates gas trouble. Number 2, it prevents the early ossifications of bone. Number 3, it is a good remedy for the constipations. Number 4, it helps to overcome several menstruation disorder. Number 5, it gives relief in sciatica, backache and the asthma. It's reduce obesity. It's reduce helpful in the treating abdominal disease. It is helpful in the curing the skin disease. Vertebra become flexible and healthy. Contraindication. Number 1, if you are suffering from enlarged liver or spleen, you should never do this asana. Number 2, avoid doing this asana if you suffer from asthma or any respiratory disease. Number 3, if you have any back or spinal problems, make sure that you perform this asana only under expert guidance. Okay student, today my topic is asthma is completed. So thank you very much. Good day.